Hey guys, it's Amberly, and today I'm going to be showing you a satisfying video with the slime I made today. You might hear some noises because I'm in my kitchen and I have a lot of pets and hey. So let's get on to it. Let's go. So I have not made this slime too long ago. It was about like a few minutes ago, and yes, please subscribe and leave a like to this channel. This channel needs some friends. I'm just starting. I love slime, and I don't know if y'all can hear this, but listen. I was trying to make some foam slime. Apparently the packaging did not have enough foam balls. I'm thinking to make a video about foam slime. Apparently I've not made any yet, but in the future, I will. Hooray! For Amber Kitty 32145. You know, I need to make my channel name. I can't keep it like that. It's just my name. I need to make a channel name. But it's okay, just call it Kitty Power. Y'all are my kitties. Sorry if you're a dog person, but still, I like cats better. But I also like dogs, not that weird kind of person. So here is lava, or I forgot what it's called. It's this type of food. Makes me think of beans now for some reason. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's glitter in this. There you go. Now I can see it. And this is so satisfying. Now let me give y'all something else satisfying. Okay guys, so I gave you all that time. I'm going to give you other times, but I was thinking to add some of these. I don't really want to. I'm probably going to do it in the next video in case y'all don't want me to. So yeah, back to the satisfying. And 3, 2, 1. Sorry if y'all hear some noises. It's my family. I'm in the kitchen, the loudest place in the house. Please tell me in the comment section down below what this slime makes you think of. It makes me think of beans. Red beans. I don't know. I forgot what they're called, but they're super satisfying. It was this little video I saw on YouTube. It was so cute. Yeah. Here's some satisfying slime. And that was my cat. I have a glass table. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe. That's all I want. I don't care what you do to the rest. I don't even care if you give me a thumbs down. Just at least leave a like and subscribe. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you all have a great day and bye.